Oke, tes. Semoga settingannya apa sih? Mau sih di mana nih? Kita pakai atap aja. Aduh salah. Eh, ada Spotify. Oke, kali ini kita akan main Final Fantasy 6 dengan gue sendiri, Freddy. Aduh, sebentar ini monitor gue miring. Gue lurusin. Sebenarnya ini agak silau nih, gue harus geseran dikit nih. Oke. Waduh, low battery. Oke, tes. This is so far oke ya. Volume naikin dikit. Sebenarnya sih kemarin gue udah nyoba dan sebenarnya gue nggak pengen main ini dulu karena untuk game pertama aja Final Fantasy 16 itu menurut gue lumayan, tapi ya udah kita coba berproses dengan game baru. Jadi gue akan coba juga game ini sebenarnya cuma buat ngetes aja sih, tes audio sama videonya beserta kualitinya, semoga sih nggak bermasalah ya. Kalau hasilnya jelek, gue akan retake lagi. Tapi kalau hasilnya bagus, gue akan lanjutin. Maksudnya ya udah kayak gini aja gitu. Ini btw kalau ada suara anjing gue ini karena tetangga lagi ada acara ya, jadi si Molly harus
It was Moss the Chronicler who said that the land of Valisthea is blessed in the light of the Mother Crystals.
Ceritanya ya, gue juga penasaran sih karena terakhir gue main Final Fantasy itu
which finally led our forebears out of the darkness.
Di PS1.
Yet,
laptop pernah sih,
what they saw in the light gave rise to temptation. Temptation that ever lures us back into the crystal shadow.
Buat teman-teman yang nonton ini, mungkin harus hati-hati ya kalau beli game di Steam karena gue nggak ngeliat speknya. Jadi gue nggak tahu ini apakah gue bisa main dengan nyaman dengan main. Karena ternyata spek gue nggak kuat laptopnya untuk bisa main game ini. Tapi ya so be it lah ya, udah kebeli soalnya kemarin yang pas diskon. Nah, berapa grafiknya cowok. Ini kalau gua bisa pegang spek laptop yang lebih tinggi sih seru sih. Ini apa kita nonton aja ya? Gua usah main. Ini seru banget anjir. Aku kan. Ketek. Itu di hold bisa nggak? Oh bisa di hold. Oke. Tapi dia keyboard base ya, bukan apa namanya, keyboard base, bukan stick. Keyboard base bukan stick base, joystick. Atau sih gue kalau keyboard kayaknya gue takutnya nggak mahir nggak mahir menggunakan adu mekaniknya itu loh. Tapi dari sini sih nggak ngeles sih, gitu nggak lihat. Ini tuh kayak apa namanya? Oh, tapi ini gede banget loh. Sebentar, semoga oke. Semoga suara game nggak terlalu kencang atau baik 10 ya. Kita percayakan aja lah ya. Oke. Terus bolak-balik konfigur terus nih. Oke. Year of RAM 1879. Isi for the file. Oke, grafiknya bagus banget. Gue sambil karena habis ini gue mau latihan badminton, jadi cuma main sebentar aja ya guys. Sebentar.
It'll be light soon. Both camps have begun to stir.
You all know the target.
Shiva's dominant. And only the dominant.
No one else? Where's the fun in that? How do we even know the girl will be among them?
Our kind do not question orders. We follow them. Try to keep that in mind.
Ada tato mark gitu ya.
Let's get this done.
Sebelumnya sih gue ada game ini sih, apa namanya, Monster Hunter. Ini nyalakan ya, oke. Monster Hunter Rise, MHR sama Sunbreak. Cuman kayaknya grafiknya nggak seimersif di sini. Ini gokil sih. Gue beruntung sih udah upgrade monitor. Sebentar, kayak gue harus sebentar. Izinkan gue untuk update ini ya, display ya. Display setting. Display resolution sebentar ya. Advanced display tuh kan. Oke, udah 100 Hz. Oke, lanjut aja.
This mission success.
Oke. Iklan aja sebentar tadi.
Yes,
Siapa tahu
Sergeant.
ngaruh. Oke, gue sambil lihat-lihat jam dulu ya.
I said focus, Wyvern.
Wyvern. USD. Rotate. Oke. Sistem controller, oke. Sistem tab main menu, oke. Ini lebih ke grafik sih. Hai, cukup. Ini kalau misalkan ternyata escape port 1 open menu, oke. Sistem, oke, close, escape.
We don't have time for this. All hell is about to break
Nggak
loose.
bisa lari, gimana deh? Ayo. 1937.
Damn it. Time to move.
Enjoy. Ini sih nggak terlalu sulit sih.
We're just in time.
Mungkin agak sedikit nggak smooth ya. Jadi tuh ini tuh harusnya RAM-nya tuh 16, minimal 16 giga. Kalau di gua tuh 12. Jadi tuh masih kurang minimum RAM-nya. Cuma dari prosesor sih sama storage aman. Cuma di RAM aja sih. Sama VRAM jadi kayak mungkin akan bisa nge-lag karena nggak terlalu kuat. Wah, ini RTX 4050 sih, masih bisa sih. Bisa ngikutin. Tinggal banget. Backgroundnya udah langsung perang. Tapi pengenalannya lebih banyak ini sih, lebih banyak cutscene ya. Bisa di skip tapi udahlah. Ini biar kita tahu ini ya, biar kita tahu apa story-nya nih. Soalnya kalau yang di FF19 gue nggak tahu itu bisa di skip apa enggak deh, gue lupa. Jadi ya, tapi awal-awal emang itu sih tutorial fight dulu. Jadi kayak emang langsung diajarin langsung party team gitu kan, berempat.
Marshal,
Gitu.
the King of Waloed is our guest.
Kayak apa ya? Oh, kan melek. Ya maaf ya kalau agak melek dikit. Semoga sih nggak
And you have His Majesty's answer.
harus sih enggak ya. Tinggal di layar gue sih terang ya. Cuman kenapa di display kanannya agak kurang ya? Nggak apa-apa, nanti next video aja. Gue coba cek lagi. Perasaan kristal. Minum air mana kah? Anjoy. Ora udut, ora smile anjay. Aduh.
I wonder that you summoned us at all. Have you so little faith in your own men? It was the Dalmex who drove back the Crusaders in the Battle of the Twin Realms, was it not? Or am I mistaken? Besides, your dominant has yet to take the field. And when he does, our knights would only get in the way.
Perhaps you have not heard, but the Ironblood now have their own dominant. We would be fools to underestimate them.
Bugger their knights.
What did you say?
Should this citadel be allowed to fall, the capital will lie exposed.
Anjay, itu
And I doubt the
batu akik kan?
Crusaders will wait for the good king's pawns to line up before taking to the board.
Kerajaan. Kalau ada dokter movie, calon
Which just
customer
leaves
potensial.
me.
Hoka!
The Ironblood will rule the day they set foot on Storm.
Ya awal-awal story-nya udah langsung perang
This
ini
game is over.
kayak langsung baru mulai langsung gerabak gerubuk deh. Kayak pengenalan karakternya tiba-tiba ada dari sini tiba-tiba pindah lagi ke sana. Tiba-tiba ada orang-orang lagi meeting di kerajaan.
You cock.
Benedicta.
Take
Bentar,
care.
ini ratingnya
Does the lion take care
ratingnya
when he
untuk semua
chases the
umur gak sih?
hare?
Gue
Or do you
mencurigakan.
think me one of the latter?
No, my love.
Escape aja ya.
You are
Escape jangan.
a lion.
1912.
You're my
Oke, bentar lagi harus cabut tapi gue belum main. Belum ngapa-ngapain ini.
I'm not afraid of a little frost, Benedicta. But I will need someone to warm me when I come home.
Escape gak sih? Skip aja kali ya. Oke, udah selesai. Kayak, aduh. Kayaknya harus pakai headset sih nontonnya sih. Ini
The front lines are gone.
ambigu asli.
This is our chance. The chaos will conceal us.
Tiba-tiba ini aja. Karakternya kagak tahu siapa. Mungkin karena FF yang gue mainin itu di atasnya ada karakter terus di bawahnya ada dialog ya. Jadi ini karakternya ini karakter ini ada Puja, ada Zidane, ada Prince Garnet, ada Bellatrix, ada siapa? Stanley ya, siapa sih yang sama Vivi di FF9. Jadi kayak apa namanya? Dikasih nama di atasnya. Kalau ini kan kayak tiba-tiba nama kita disebut, oh ini karakternya Wyvern, oke. Kayak nama bagus. Nggak ngelol lagi sih, cuman kadang transisinya
Pretty
patah-patah.
deadly, as always. Take the van.
Wait. Something's not right.
Sorry. Sorry, skip headphone.
Titan.
Anjoy.
So the Dalmex finally grew tired of being slaughtered.
Anjay.
And look who's here to greet the bastard.
Tiba-tiba ada
Come on.
makhluk raksasa gitu anjir. Ini tuh apa ya namanya dulu ya kalau di ini ya, Eidolon. Tapi apa ini konsepnya sama kayak Eidolon apa enggak deh? Karena tadi tuh bukan Bahamut, Phoenix. Untung Phoenix ada ya. Berdengar sih. Soalnya yang keluar di nggak semua Eidolon sih yang bisa kita pakai fight ya kayaknya ya. Jadi itu kayak diperkenalkannya pakai kartu pas di kota apa tuh ya, yang ada cheat. Nama kotanya tapi ini nggak mekanik kan, harus sih juga ya. Ini kayak bukan Estes. Kabar ini dulu. Kayak skillnya apa ya, yang kayak item gitu. Bro ini kagak bisa ngedes apa? Buru Anjoy. Sabar. Terus.
Anytime, Wyvern.
Gimana caranya, anjir? Dikit-dikit cutscene, banyak juga ya cutscene-nya. Size game-nya gede banget di itu kan kayak satu. Apa nih, ini bukan kayak Pepsi Man kan? Juga sih kalau modelnya kayak Pepsi Man aja, kejut-kejut. Oh anjir, menjret. Menjret anjir.
Wyvern!
Ini bisa yang menjahit temennya. Menjret kan. Timpel batu.
I told you before, you do not get to die here.
Siapa juga mau mati anjir. Luas anjir. Belum jadi party udah berkurang aja membernya anjir. Live. Play. Anjir, nggak lihat lagi tahun berapa? Tahun sebelumnya kayaknya. Makanya sih lebih kecil ya harusnya ya. Gue playbacknya.
Well, if you're not cut out to be a shield, there's always work for you in the stables. Unless, of course, you think you can defend your master while sat on your arse in a puddle of pig swill.
I'm sure he'd find a way. My brother always looks after me. Right?
Go on. You're sure to hit him eventually.
Don't give up now.
Aduh, lucu banget anjingnya. Siba apa? Husky kecil. Ini kalau misalkan dia mundur, kalau dia orangnya sama, apa nanti timeline yang maju untuk ke awal tadi ya? Kayaknya sih gitu ya. Nebak aja. Soalnya kalau ini karakternya sama terus mundur, Revisiting combat training, yes.
Let's
Nah,
start
ini
again
kalau
from the beginning.
udah pernah main,
Come,
dia
show me your form.
akan ini bikin. Ya.
Good. Again. Very good.
Very good.
Such swordsmanship will serve you well in the field. But can the same be said of your spellcraft? The flames of the
Apa
phoenix
sih udah 20
burn
menit ya?
within
Wah,
you.
lama juga ya.
Now let them burn
20
without.
menit cuma sampai tutorial, anjir, bro.
Come, Clive. Rain fire down upon me.
Oke. Cast fire, oke.
Keep them coming.
Apinya kecil banget, 10,
Well
10,
done.
10.
You wield the Firebird's flames just as a first shield should.
Dua,
You flatter me, my lord. Or would you rather I flattened you? Can be arranged. Let's see if you can elude my blade. After all, your attacking prowess will count for naught if you don't live long enough to use it.
Oke, fine.
On your toes, Lord Rossfield.
Anjir, stay good on your feet. Evade. Sebentar. Evading the precise moment I deal with temporary slow enemy make it more susceptible to counter using. Oh. Jadi ketika lu ini langsung menyerang, oke. Sip.
Oh, to be so young and fleet of foot. Not quite.
Oh.
We're not clear as to the purpose of this exercise.
Oh. Tapi kayak perfect dodge gitu loh, kayak lu harus apa ya,
Remember,
kayak
Clive,
batu
your blade
jutsunya.
is not your only weapon. Quickness of thought and fleetness of foot
Yang
are
jurusnya Kenshin yang terakhir
indispensable
tuh, jadi
in
kayak lu
any
harus masuk
shield's
serangannya
arsenal.
agak rada masuk gitu loh.
But you are
Baru
not
lu
just any shield,
mundur.
are you?
Ini timingnya nyebelin sih.
Show me what sets you apart from the rest. You have been blessed by the Phoenix, granted the use of its power. Call upon that power now to close on me.
Oke.
Well, I'm waiting.
Sebentar bro. Terus mikir apa ini? Execute Phoenix. Blessing the Phoenix grant Clive ability to perform feats in human strength and dexterity. Phoenix is versus put melee with this. Oh, okay.
Would that all our shields could move so swiftly. Come now. Use the power the Phoenix gave you.
Okay.
Impressive. But even the most agile shield cannot hope to escape every blow.
Okay.
And death may come by a handful of cuts as easily as it comes by 1,000. There is only one way to ensure that you do not fall. Keep your wounds mended and your energies replenished.
Okay.
Speaking of which, my lord, you seem a little worse for wear. Now that won't do at all.
Mend your wound. Okay. Oh, consumable item, potion and tonics, temporary boost attribute. Oke, configure the consumable. Kok kayak ada stick nih? Ntar kita coba ya. TBH gue nggak terlalu nyaman pakai.
Why not see about the
Kira-kira bisa pakai stick gak ya?
battle is a succession of pivotal moments where life and death can be decided at a single stroke. You must be ready to utilize every tool at your disposal if you are to navigate a path to victory, or at the very least, to ensure that you live to fight another day. Enough practice. It's time for the test. You've recovered from your soaking, I trust.
Connect sih.
wouldn't want to kick a man while he's drowned.
I thought you'd never ask.
Come then, Lord Rosfield. Spar with me. If you believe yourself worthy to be called Shield of the Flame, then prove it.
As you wish, my lord.
Have at me, boy. Make proof of your strength.
Sabar. Final lesson tuh. Escape.
Go on, you should.
Dia atribut oke. Ini kontrolnya bisa ini enggak sih? Ya, sabar. Control setting, control real. Lock. Icon ability hold, jump, bullet, echo face, magic, melee kotak, kamera, reset kamera, lock, apa nih, lock LB, iconic ability, RTX, bentar, RTY, oke, limit break LR. Backspace. Cara gantinya apa gua masuk di tengah-tengah ya? Harusnya dari awal ya? Bisa nggak sih dia ganti? Nggak bisa cuy, waduh ya. Target ini kayaknya buat jatuhin nih dari capacity, power, vitality, defense, movement, durability. Oke.
Beat him this time.
You can do it, Clive. Just stay calm.
Wah, ini gue mau coba. Taruh dulu. Anjir. Gila. Woi.
Taking this seriously.
Keep going,
Ya,
Clive.
hajar lah, gila loh. Gitu. Duh. Bentar guys, gak bisa cuy. Single. Bisa. Mamam. Apa nih? Oke, ya. Ngebes. Ini kagak ada mana ya? Cuman emang
This time I took my own advice and used all the tools at my disposal.
Oke. Wow. Soundnya oke sih. Kayaknya nextnya pasti dicoba deh pakai apa namanya? Halo. Pakai apa? Pakai joystick.
I told you to do it.
Aye.
Iya, udah bisa cuy. Udah dinyalain.
Bested at last. It's taken me long enough. That was a display worthy of your father. You are a true shield of the flame, and let no one tell you otherwise.
Oke.
Including me.
Setengah jam anjir, ini berapa giga kah?
What are you lot gawping at? Back to your drills.
Kalau dulu mas save-nya ada siapa namanya si Kupo itu gue lupa. Moknet. Udah minum obat kan ya udah. Moknet itu tuh dia kayak apa sih, kayak peri gitu loh. Mogel.
Joshua, I was just tired. The Phoenix's flames are a gift. You mustn't waste them.
It isn't a waste. My shields look after me. Why shouldn't I?
That's why.
Batuk.
You were coughing this morning too. You shouldn't be outdoors.
I'll be fine. It's just a cold.
Don't push yourself.
Gokil, ini cutscene-nya banyak banget.
Father's back.
Kalau apa namanya? Kalau
Your Grace, please, this is no place for one such as you.
Nanti lu nggak tahu
I would
ceritanya.
gladly brave hell itself
Kayak cuman fight
to see my darling
gitu doang
boy.
sih. Agak disayangkan aja kalau
Gentlemen, Rosaria thanks you for your
Sekalian
indefatigable loyalty.
menikmati cutscene
Grace.
yang udah
We
dibuat
live to
sama
serve.
video gamenya. Pagi ini Square Enix.
Joshua,
Jojo lapar bu.
You should not be out of doors. We have discussed this.
I'm sorry.
Good day to you, Mother.
Come, Joshua. Your father will be expecting us.
Apakah itu adalah ibu tiri sepertinya?
Lord Murdoch?
Your Grace.
Oke, gokil nontonin cutscene sama main
What a way
sebentar
to
aja
treat
udah
your own
30.
flesh and blood.
I know. It's not his fault. Not everyone can be
Karena
born
gue harus
Phoenix.
berangkat.
We should join them.
Haha, pedang biasa. Pulang lagi. Cutscene. Anzoy. Ini apa ya namanya ya? Gue lupa lagi. Itu di F9 juga bisa tuh. Apa ya namanya? Gue lupa tuh nama burungnya. Chocobot ya sih.
Rise, my friends.
Chocobot.
Welcome home, Father.
Thank you, Joshua. You are well, I trust.
Yes, Father. Much better. Today, Jill and I went to the
Cocobo.
bay to watch Clive's spa.
Anjay.
Is that so?
Cocobo FF16.
Quiet, Torgal. Stop it, boy.
Itu unlock Cocobo. Anjay, unlock Cocobo anjay.
You'll make a fine
Pas
hound
belum
one
ada
day.
unlocknya.
Father.
Lift up your head, girl.
Thank you, Your Grace.
Lucu banget. Ada anak anjing, ada anak
The
anjing.
capital rejoices at your safe return, Your Grace.
War is coming, my boy. We must make ready.
Is the situation truly so grave?
Come to the throne room. We will talk there.
Yes, Father. Your Grace.
Shields dismissed.
Bubar.
Torgal. Where do you think you're going? Clive here is off to see the Archduke.
Right.
Tapi dari tadi nggak ada tatonya. Yang dari yang pertama, bahkan rajanya juga nggak ada. Sunrise, sunset. Finding your way. Oke, kalau lo merasa tersesat, do not afraid. Hold and trust your animal instinct. Your condition will be displayed with tanda sama.
Is trouble brewing?
Oh,
I'm not sure. I need to speak with Father.
All right, let's get this stuff.
Item.
The Duchess calls for our heads.
Potion.
Phoenix will be with us.
Berarti item itu ada merah-merahnya. Tapi ini nggak nge-lag sih. Kalau di ini ya. Di guanya nge-lag anjay.
Preparation is key. We must be ready to march at any time. You don't need to tell this much.
They've closed the gates.
Let's hope the side entrance is still open.
Udah bisa. Bisa go. Oh, nah ini nih ada tatonya nih. Kenapa dia punya tato?
Good as new.
Forgive me, Lord Marquess. Pray do not concern yourself with this bungling cur. Bow to him, you fool. But I say to speak.
Aneh ya kenapa?
It was no trouble, really.
Kenapa?
Oh, do not indulge him. To be allowed to stand in your lordship's presence is more than his kind deserves. Why, neither the Empire nor the Republic treat their bearers half so well. He was lucky to be born in your father's dominion. Very lucky.
Ini geseran ke atas lagi bisa nggak ya? Sorry.
Stand, please.
Halo.
I trust his good fortune will continue.
Of course, if that is your lordship's wish.
Mungkin story-nya kebuka pelan-pelan sih.
Don't work too hard. Remember, it is for the good of the duchy that you serve.
Sambil belajar bahasa Inggris ini karena nggak ada subtitle bahasa Indonesia.
As do we all.
Ada atau nggak mungkin ada.
Come along now. Back to your duties.
Ya, tapi di pipinya tuh ada simbol itu loh. Ya aneh aja sih. Wah, ngantuk aja. Oh, juga ngantuk lagi. Latihan. Yo, menit lagi deh.
Looks like they're getting ready for supper.
I think someone's hungry.
Nice and quiet in here, isn't it? There's Joshua.
Clive?
Are you worried about the war?
The soldiers will expect the Phoenix to help them, but I don't know if I can.
Don't worry, Joshua. Father will guide you. And I will protect you. Always.
I know. Thank you, Clive.
Tapi ini namanya Clive. Tadi Wyvern.
That child is the future of our nation. He must be protected. All other concerns are insignificant.
Iya deh.
Good luck.
Bye bye. Gemoy banget. Anjingnya gemoy banget, gemas. Udah nih, ini doang nih. Ngantuknya.
You commanded my presence, Your Grace. How may I serve you?
All right, you can stop licking my boots. Your mother isn't here.
Do the territories fare any better?
Most lie under a pall of black. In just these few moons, the Blight has taken nigh on all of the northern reaches. It is only a matter of time before it crosses the border.
By the flames.
Nearly every available bed in the capital is already occupied by those fleeing the Deadlands. Even if we were to send them south to Port Isolde, more would only follow in their wake. Every day we delay brings us closer to disaster. We must move now.
Against the Iron Kingdom.
We have traded blows with them for too long. It is time to end it.
At the very least, we must secure Drake's breath. Without the blessing of the Mother Crystal, we cannot defend our realm from the spread of the Blight.
Berarti itu apa ya?
The Iron Blood will not relinquish it easily. This will be a bitter fight.
We ride for Phoenix Gate tomorrow. There we will listen to the words of our ancestors, as tradition dictates.
Am I to go with you as Joshua's shield?
There is something else I would have you do first. Rodney.
You will have heard the reports, I am sure, of beastmen from the north being sighted within our borders.
Goblins in the Stillwind Marshes. I know of the rumors, yes.
Then you know what must be done. I will give you 2 good men. While we ride north tomorrow, you will journey to Stillwind, search it, and clear it. Then you will join us at Phoenix Gate.
Phoenix Gate. Phoenix Gate.
It is time to prove your strength. And shut your mother up for good.
I will do my duty, Your Grace.
Oke. Lawan Goblin.
That will be all. Rest well. We ride at dawn.
Yes, Your Grace.
Jadi kayak mau dikejar sesuatu kah? F1 ATL. ATL1 oke. Position level. All ATL entries and VSS later in the game. Oke. Oh. Oke, ini kecuali. Oke, Kak. Sebentar ya, Elvin News. Oke, ntar kita pelajarin lagi. Ingat ini gua nge-lag di sini. Oh enggak sih, alhamdulillah. Better. Iya, kemarin pas gua coba buat testing. Depan baik. Kalian display-nya juga loading gue ya. Cuma ada berapa sih? Ya Molly, ntar ya. Sabar ya Moy. Anjir, mana harga RAM lagi mahal banget lagi anjim. Bisa berapa ya? 3 juta, 2 juta. Itu juga 8 giga. DDR5 itu bukan dia. NVMe. Storage sih aman. Oh.
How long will you be away this time?
Not long. 4 days, maybe 5.
Oh, panas.
And you will be taking Joshua.
Well, I can't exactly leave him behind, can I? The blood of the Rosfields runs in his veins.
Masih storyline, no bro.
Before going to war, we perform the rite at Phoenix Gate. It's our way. You know that. And only the dominant can enter the apothecary, so yes, I'm taking Joshua.
Up for this tree?
Oh, to hell with your way! The boy is ill.
Yeah, boy.
You think I don't know that? But the boy is also the Phoenix, the heir to the throne. You can't keep him in swaddling clothes all of his life.
Elwyn!
Don't worry. Clive will watch over him. Though he is a youth of but 15 years, he's already a fine soldier. He will make a splendid shield.
You see more in him than the Phoenix did. He was rejected, Elwyn. Our household has no place for such a failure. He is worthless, a man like any other.
As am I, my dear.
Nonsense. You are the Archduke of Rosaria.
Oh, not this again. You know as well as I do that I only sit upon the throne because my father was taken before his time. I am merely warming the seat till Joshua comes of age.
You are your father's firstborn son, and you sit upon the throne. All is in its right place. Unlike some, you have not disgraced our noble blood.
Without men like Clive to keep us safe, your precious noble blood would long since have graced the gutter. We have an early start. I'm going to sleep.
Ngambek. Gokil cutscene bro, lama sekali cutscene-nya. Udah 49 menit ini. I have to go. Nah, di depan masih ini kan ya. Nge-lag tuh. Loadingnya langsung berat. Cutscene. Cutscene tapi guangnya nge-lag. Enable to get the angle. Okay, foto. Okay, so. Masih.
This is it then. Time to prove yourself.
Gak asik nih, baru mulai langsung perang anjir.
Wishing on a star.
I'm a little old for that. I should get some sleep.
Right.
Masih mapping nama-nama karakternya deh. Itu tadi ada rajanya. Siapa tadi namanya? Duh, gue jelek dalam mengingat nama lagi. Sial. Jadi harus beberapa kali. Edwin.
You're going with them tomorrow, aren't you?
I am Joshua's shield. I'm sworn to protect him.
Cutscene-nya bro, panjang sekali.
He takes too many risks. I only wish I could save him from himself.
Seperti biasa ini pasti akan ada quest gitu sih. Nggak tahu apakah konsepnya sama dengan Ultimate. Karena gue main FF itu FF9.
I have another mission too.
Ada questnya juga.
Father has given me my first command.
Buat dapat Ultima Sword.
Well, if you're not going to pray to Metia for your safe return, I shall just have to do it for you.
Kayak nggak bisa langsung nggak bisa cuma tebas dia menang, tapi bisa kalau dulu tuh masih ada bisa momen buat travel world, tapi kayaknya kalau udah sampai world terakhir tuh nggak bisa deh. Jadi ada beberapa momen yang emang nggak bisa dibalikin karena mapnya udah nggak kebuka atau nggak bisa diakses. Itu sih. Waktu itu kan dunianya Terra sama apa tuh mau jadi satu kan tuh, yang di Livatri. Jadi udah lama banget. Ntar kayaknya gue juga akan beli itu sih, untuk beli diskon.
There's going to be another war, isn't there?
Gemes banget nih. Kasih kelamaan, gue nggak bisa kesel.
Since coming here, I've begun to take peace for granted. I assumed the war between our nations would be the last.
Iya, tapi tadi aja adegannya udah perang. Gimana ceritanya? Ini perang karena apa juga belum dijelasin sih. Jadi ini kayak masih kita ngumpulin puzzle dulu sih dengan knowledge yang masih.
But it never really ends, does it?
Itu kayak apa ya? Kayak dia bisa, orangnya bisa berubah jadi Eidolon, tapi namanya dominan tadi, dominan.
No. Iron apa tadi ya? The next war will be bigger than before.
Iron Wall, Iron Knights, apa Iron apa tadi ya?
But you'll be all right, won't you, Clive? You're a shield of Rosaria, after all, and blessed by the Phoenix.
Shield of Rosaria. Dingin. Ada yang datang.
It's getting cold. We should go in.
Ayo masuk. Ini udah selesai cutscene udah kayak mau sejam ini. Ayolah. Ini gue menonton cutscene.
Good night, Clive.
Yeah, good night. Bye-bye. Hahaha, come on. Gue juga penasaran sama story-nya, tapi gue juga greget banget. Kalau enggak nanti kepingan puzzle. Masa gue harus main game ini berkali-kali, kan gak mungkin. Oke, masa sih udah bisa di-skip. Redup. Enggak. Ayo, udah mau sejam nih. Bisa 4 menit lagi sejam. Ini lama banget sih. Full. Ini gak akan gue edit karena ini full gameplay aja ya. Cutscene. Astagfirullahaladzim. Ya, grafiknya sih oke sih, tapi
sorry, Ambrosia. I won't be hunting today.
Enjoy, Chocobo.
Don't worry. I'm sure you'll do brilliantly.
Chocobo. Oh. Oke, skip dulu ya. Kayaknya kelamaan deh. Oh. World map, okay, going friends. Current available to Clive via travel fast. Oh ini, okay. Still win. Oh, tadi ke Phoenix Gate, okay. Still win. The Grand Duchy of Bavaria. Agak nge-lag, semoga nggak nge-lag. Terus info chapter baru kah? Timely accessories. Track of the considering of timely focus will allow you gear dan main menu. Okay.
Not exactly the most well-maintained path.
And who do you imagine would maintain it? They've all fled from the Blight.
It's hard to believe that anyone used to live here.
The old village of Stillwind is ahead. Not that there's a lot left of it.
Aja nggak ada simbol apa-apa. Anjay, ada Dobby. Nah, kalau Goblin dulu hijau. Hijau nggak sih? Goblin tuh. Yes, Hidon. Enjoy. Lebih real Goblin nih.
With me.
Enjoy. Apa nih? Use striking Apollon to conjure magic that deals significant damage. After striking, Oh. Oh, itu maksudnya. Mampu. Woi, lu ngapain lu? Oke, easy bro.
Goblins. So the reports were true.
We should press on. There may be more ahead.
Oh. Itu ada panahnya nih. Ini kalau enggak bisa nyasar. Ini sih untungnya warna gitu ya. Kayak apa? Bisa ngeliat itu kalau itu ada item. Kalau enggak.
Welcome to Stillwind.
Have care, my lord.
There's more.
Some of them will drop gear item if it look is get automatically. Oh, oke. Itu otomatis ya buat semua. Maju tuh. Mamam ih. Apa noli? Butterfly.
Watch out, my lord. Some of their number are spell slingers.
And water number. We'll all have our hands full here.
Stay down.
Mamam.
Stay down.
We should be nearing the old village square.
It might not be a nest of goblins.
Hey. Anjoy. Kita skip dulu ah. Sama anjing cong.
Care to thin the herd? As if you have to ask.
Ah, anjir lah.
Down with you.
Oh, mama bro.
And there was one.
He's invited a friend!
On your feet, Sir Wade.
Here it comes.
Use the blessing of the ponies not only deal consider but also break their will. Okay.
Founder, that's a swing and a half. Be ready to move when it winds up for another.
You don't have to tell me twice.
Betul. Hajar. Parry strike, bentar, kita lihat dulu. Ya tus, executing equability. Oke.
Nice try.
Pecah. Oh, shit. Apa tuh? Oke. Mantul. Attack nambah, defense nambah, stagger nambah, strength vitality nambah 2 poin. Oke. Ability. Nah, kita buru-buru dulu. Kita mau duduk 37.
Before he summons the rest.
Aduh. Gear ability sebentar. Gimana sih? Ya. Oh, bisa combo. Oh, ability point. Hey. Yes, control to remove safety of this association chat. Bisa begitu ya modesnya. Ternyata nih bisa dodge. Mana ada yang dodge ini? Bisa tidak kontrol command off. Agility-nya sih keren. Reroll. Oke. Nah, poin darinya. Tapi kayak sekali pakai nggak sih? Kayak sekali pakai. High potion. Okay.
There he is.
Kejar.
Damn it.
Bisa ini nggak sih? Auto save. Gak bisa di save. Dilanjut lagi ya. Lama.
Keep clear of its maw, my lord. That thing's breath is worse than its bite.
Sialan. Kena lagi. Woi.
That reeks! I said stay away from its mouth! This hell.
Pecah. Ayo bro.
Where's it going? Your guess is mine. No, you don't!
Enjoy. Okay, press okay. Pecah.
Now! Before it recovers!
Iya, ayo ini makan serang woi. Jadi darahnya kayak itu nih.
You won't be gone for long. I cannot fall here. Now for the final push, my lord.
Ya ayo final push. Ayo bantuin gabung juga bro. Gue gabut nih anjing. Ayo. Masuk. Aduh, warning.
I think we made it angry. I'd rather we made it die.
Kena. Ayo. Lagi. Morbol Slain. Naik level gak? Enggak. Oh, level up. Oke. Udah kan ya? Bisa save gak sih? Gue butuh save nih. Onyx kita jangan skip ini tempat perang dong, anjing langsung perang kah? Aduh. 24/6. Semoga masih cukup di memorinya. Aduh. Udah sampai sini dulu deh ya. Aduh, ntar kita lanjut lagi. Ini gue mau harus badminton dulu guys. Bye bye. See you. Kita stop recording in 3, 2, 1. Bye bye.